Hey guys, today I'm back with another video, and today's video is all about moi moi cooking pouch. Okay, this is an efficient way to make your moi moi making made easy. Okay, just add all that you want to add to your moi moi and mix it and get ready to just put it in the moi moi cooking pouch and seal. Is very easy, very efficient. No time to start wrapping the leaf, the foil, or the plastic bag. Okay, this is an efficient way of making moi moi. And just look at, very easy. The only thing you should make sure you don't overfill it. Okay, don't overfill it. And just pour your moi moi, put whatever you want to put, your meat, your egg, your fish, whatever, and seal. Make sure you seal it well. If you have any stain on the bag, very easy, just watch. Use your kitchen towel and clean, and everything will just be clean. Very easy seal. Just look at, well sealed. You guys have not seen anything like this before. You've not seen anything like this, and this is from Everything Foodie. Okay, just follow us on our Instagram, everything underscore foodie 1, to place your order. Just send us DM, okay, and we will get you. Just place them in your pot and cook for 30 minutes. I cook my moi moi for 30 minutes and you are ready to go. You've not seen anything like this. Your moi moi cooking will be so neat, very easy, and you are good to go with a beautiful shape. I know you don't want to spend so much time making your moi moi. All right, this is moi moi making made easy. Don't forget to share this video with everyone, and share with everyone. Share it on the group, on your WhatsApp, everywhere, and don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, on Instagram, and subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. Okay, so this is it. Done. You can see the water is very clean. Have you seen anything like this? You just finished cooking your mama and the water is so clean. No, no stain. The moi moi pack is so neat. Okay, so if you're a lover of good food, if you're a lover of good thing, making your cooking very easy, you just need to have this in your kitchen. Okay, so you can see, I'm trying to open it now to see what the moimoi looks like. Very neat. And the one thing about this moimoi cooking pouch is that it gives your moimoi this unique shape. Yes, it gives your moimoi this unique shape, and I love it so much. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the moimoi. Look at that. Look at that, guys. And this moimoi here is still hot, and it came out easily from the cooking pouch, and even when it's cold, it can easily come out. And the beautiful thing about this cooking pouch is that you can use it at least twice. Just wash and dry and use it again. Thank you, and God bless you. I will see you in my next one.